Not sure if you can see this, but it's actually hailing at the moment. Well, that's a lot of snow already. Good morning. I'm out searching for a new campsite today. Not quite sure where I'm going to end up, but the forecast is for some pretty gnarly winds. Winds up to almost 100 k's an hour. Got to try and find somewhere out of this wind. It's been about a month since I was last out, but now back into it. I miss this place. Whew. Oh, that's cold. How's this for a spot? Right by the river. I think this will do perfect. Alright, time to get set up. New tarp this time. Oh, here comes the rain. It is meant to be raining quite hard this afternoon, so I better get set up quickly. Rightio. Oh, the rain's going to come in any minute. Need to get this done. Got my new tarp for this trip. Still a DD Hammocks, but it's their XL tarp. Meant to be quite a bit stronger than the super light one. So this should be a good test for it. It's a much more heavy duty material. Not sure if you can see this, but it's actually hailing at the moment. Wow, what a crazy afternoon. The tarp was a complete fail. It completely blew inside out with the wind. Managed to get it under control, but we didn't get any footage of that setting up, so sorry about that. The temperature has absolutely plummeted. We've had hail, we've had strong wind, the rain hasn't stopped. It's just all come through really misty right now, so the visibility is not that great, but that's all good. Let me get my chair set up, get my puffer jacket on, and I might get some noodles on, I think. A little bit hungry and cold. Bought myself a new pot, which nests my old pot and my camping stove inside it, which is pretty cool. Going to do something a bit different tonight. A little MSR Pocket Rocket Deluxe. Great little stove that. And just like that, it's raining again. Oh, yum. Hailing again. That wind is howling through there. Alright, time for some nachos. I've pre-mixed all this because I'm cheating. Oh, it smells good. Do my guacamole. Even bought a little bit of sweet Thai chili sauce. So what we have in here is we've got red kidney beans, crushed tomatoes, some frozen corn, bit of Lite, a little bit of tamari sauce, some tomato paste, some paprika and some chili. Nacho chips. Oh, yum. Got the cheese. At about this point we put that in the oven, but that's not going to happen. Some sour cream. And the guac. Check that out. That's good. Oh, that was so good. Oh, it's freezing. Might get a hot drink on, I think. I think I might hop into bed for a bit and have this. Oh, warming up a bit now. I did see something that we might get a little bit of snow tonight, maybe. It was forecast to be higher up the mountain. Not by much though. We're at about 1350 metres. And they were forecasting it to be up around 1500, so fingers crossed we get a little bit, but probably won't be much. Well, that's it. I'm going to call it a night. If anything happens, I'll get the camera out and see if it snows. Anyway, good night. We'll see you in the morning. It's 1 AM in the morning. Oh, that's a lot of snow already. How awesome is this though? It's still snowing quite hard. Good morning. This is awesome. I was not expecting this much snow. My tarp collapsed last night under the weight of the snow, so it was a bit of a mission to get out. Oh, it's freezing cold. It's -3 at the moment. Might get a coffee on. Oh, that's nice. It's such a stunning little spot, this. It looks pretty angry out that way. The wind has picked up already. said it was going to be about 95 km/h winds by about 9 o'clock this morning. I don't know how hard it's going to be to walk into winds that extreme. It's going to be interesting. So I've decided to have just a quick breakfast this morning because the wind is really picking up now. I thought I might just have just a little dehi. Well, I've decided to pack up, getting some mad gusts coming through, and I just want to get on the trail. I've still got about a 2.5 hour walk out. It's going to be a brutal walk out, I think. And it's bitterly cold. I've had a fantastic time though. This has been amazing. Whoa, this wind. Good to get that down. Oh man, that was rough. Alright, I am all packed up. The wind is really here, so I'm going to get going on the trail. I hope you've enjoyed this camp. It's been a little testing, this one, but that's alright. That's what camping's all about. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. This is pretty rough, man. This weather is nuts. Still about an hour back to the car, so